we are going to see the lambda function using the filter keyword. The filter keyword is a powerful keyword in this Python. Like it filters the given list. So we have to give a list from, take this range here. We need a list of -5 comma 5. We have to make this into a list. So we have a list of -5 to 5. See the output, like we have -5 to 5 here. So the last term will not be observed here. Why? Because it is the default function like that. And we have -5 to 4 here. So we have to make filtering in this range. Like we have to filter this range using lambda function, like lambda x, that x should be greater than 0. So we have to make this like we are filtering the range from -5 to 5, that which are greater than 0 only. So let's see here. It is we need to give a bracket here. See, the numbers which are greater than 0, they are present here. We can make any other filtering also, like x percentage 2 that equals to 0. So we have to print the only even elements, like see here, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4. These are the even elements. If you want to print the odd numbers, you can make this one. If you want to print negative numbers like x less than 0, you can. So if you want to make these type of things in the normal method, it takes 4 to 5 lines of code. But here, in using this filter and lambda function, we are getting it in only one line. So let's see the normal procedure for this making the list. Like we have to create a empty list like result list. So for x in range of -5 comma 5, we have to enter the loop, and if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, then only we should append this to the result, like here, and then we have to print result here. So it takes 4 to 5 lines of code, like one for loop, one if loop, and other function we are going to append here. So see here, this is also same process. So if you want to get the negative numbers, like you have to create this one, like x is less than 0. See, the same functionality going to work here, but here only the code efficiency looks here. Using only one line, we are getting the result, and here we have bulk amount, like 2 for loops and one function. 4 to 5 lines of code is required in this normal procedure. So choose the best one, that what you want. And then lambda function using reduce. So what is this reduce? This is also a function in Python function tools. So this is not direct in Python, so we have to import this from function tools. Like we have to import from function tools, import reduce. See here, it works or not. It is going to work, like function tools are imported, right? So, and then we have to make the list here. So if you want to make reduce, you want to reduce a list, like let's have a list like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. We have to reduce this list, reduce using this lambda function, lambda x comma y. We are going to give the expression like x plus y here over the list L. So what should be the output here? we are going to add cumulative adding like 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. The output should return 10. See here, the output is 10. You can multiply here also. You can multiply here like how you are going to multiply, like 1 into 2 2, 2 into 3 6, and 6 into 4 it's going to be 24. The output is 24. You are going to cumulate this expressions in the list, over the list. You can give the list here itself, like you can give the list here itself like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. See here, it is same. You can perform any mathematical operations over here. It is going to work like here. It is going to be cumulative. So in this format, it is reduce function is very useful to us. If you want to make this without reduce on lambda, it takes a 4 to 5 lines in the normal format. See here, if you want, like we have to create a list first, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and then we have to make a result that should be L of 0. So result should be L of 0 if any not perform, any other perform operations are not going to perform. For x in range of L, that should be above. First we are performing a slicing here. We need the second up from second element to the rest of the elements we need. So we are slicing it. So and then we are going to get result equal to result in result plus x. So and then we are going to have result here. See here, it is 10. If you multiply here, it is going to multiply. If you're going to divide, same we can do within 4 lines. This is only we have to import this one, and we have to use this code, which is going, this is going to use in complex programs, like seeing this program and this program, you are feeling that this is the very good one, but this code is very efficient. You are going to use this type of codings in very complex programs. So that's it, guys, for today. If you have any queries regarding this lambda function or a filter function and reduce function, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to give the answers to your questions. That's it, guys. Thank you.